So welcome to the video, and today we're going to be taking a look at this custom rear panel that you can buy to make your Starlight 12 fit more into your palm. This is a custom resin panel. It's from Finamouse. It's around $40 plus shipping. It's resin and it's going to fit kind of into that area now where the Tenzi mouse is coming out. Finamouse going to release a new version of it. This is a way of getting your older Starlight to allow you to get more of a palm grip to it. If you're interested in other mods that I've done, I've also done scroll wheel mods, switch replacement mods, tear downs of this mouse to show you how it's put together. I've also done weight reduction to get down to 38 grams, which is insane. If you're not familiar with this channel, it does custom mice mods as well as reviews of data and statistics. So let's get on with it. That's what the current weight is. This is someone who makes basically a new rear panel for it. Never tried it. It's quite thick. Pretty good quality. It's a little bit rough, like in terms of like the finish. But you can sand it. You can tell it's a bit, feels like a resin, like the way it's been poured or whatever it's been done. A little bit of flex. But it feels like it's not brittle. It feels pretty pretty flexible. Infinity Mouse. So it is on Twitter. Mine's already been modded, as you can see. And you have this one screw here. This is what they look like. Well, let's put them side by side. It's definitely got more of a hump. I'm going to see a bit easier there. You can see a bit better there, maybe. They're not the easiest things to hold. That's what the internals look like. I'll start again. So you can see the same screw mounts. Oops, drop that. It's got a slightly better profile. Feels a little bit heavier, so look. See, like you say, see there, it's a little bit, it's not purely smooth. You could probably sand it if you wanted. It's not bad though. It's a bit of a resin finish. It's probably the only bit I can see that's maybe a little bit of a lump. The rest of it's fairly bump free. Just needs a little bit of a sand maybe if you're bothered about the textury look of it. Fairly flexible. Seems right. So you can see it fits quite well on this side here. Just trying to hold it so you can see it. Fits okay here. Alright, looks like it's on. That's what it looks like. Show you some close-up look-ups in a second. See the fit a bit better, it's not too bad. A little bit of a, like slightly overhanging there, but not bad. You could trim that off or sand it if you needed to. I know it's a little bit of a problem with this, again, because it does overhang this button, but it still works. Probably wouldn't bother me, to be fair. I'd probably just leave it. You could again just sand it slightly, just to, if you were bothered, just to trim off a little bit of it. Like, wouldn't be too difficult. Even if you took the mouse apart, just to make it fit. But this is the bit I'd be more, I was bothered about. It fits quite nice on these corners. Chop the corner off. One thing I can tell now is I can feel like the back of it, my hand slightly rests here now. Like, wow, 18 by 9. Give me a fraction more support. Kind of where I would hold it, you can just see it. Away with the hump. Yeah, still pretty light. Like, would I get it? I think I would do if I wanted to change the shape. Definitely if you wanted a bit more support. I think most people are going to claw grip it. You'd have to have quite a small hand to take use of it. I mean, I do get some palm. I think the corners you're definitely going to have to sand at these points. The side button still works even with this overhang. I can't feel the overhang when I'm pressing it, but some people might do, it's close. But I definitely sand. I'd probably just sand the edges down a little bit, or you could just trim it off if you wanted. Gets to be a bit more brutal. But not bad, given what it is.